want you to think of Yoga Nidra as the art of conscious rest. Imagine yourself in the future, fully living your Sankalpa. Picture yourself stepping into a space where the version of you that you've always dreamed of already exists. And notice how you walk into the room. There's no forcing, there's no pretending. You just are this version of yourself. Confident, calm, powerful. Hey there, and welcome to What If It All Goes Right? The podcast where we flip the script on obstacles and turn them into opportunities. I'm Angela Gargano, 6-time American Ninja Warrior, Miss Fitness America, keynote speaker, and someone who knows firsthand what it's like to face setbacks and wonder, is this for me? I've torn my ACL on national television, worked the 12-hour overnight shifts as a biochemist, and battled my own doubts about how to chase my goals while juggling life's chaos. But through it all, I've learned one powerful truth. It's not about avoiding challenges, it's about how you view them. The difference between success and staying stuck, it's all in your mindset and what you do next. This podcast is here to remind you that every single person you admire has faced obstacles. The real magic happens when you decide to see those hardships as stepping stones to something greater. Each week, we'll dive into powerful stories and practical tools and mindset shifts to help you take control of your life and ask the big question, what if it all goes right? You'll leave each episode empowered, inspired, and equipped with the actionable steps to create the life you've been dreaming of. Because the truth is, you're stronger than you think, and your obstacles are just opportunities in disguise. Let's rewrite your story together. Get ready to feel inspired, take action, and see what happens when you start asking, what if it all goes right? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through something I personally do every single night that has been literally a game changer for me and my clients. And it's called Yoga Nidra. And I want you to think of Yoga Nidra as the art of conscious rest. So your body lies completely still, but your awareness drops into a state between sleep and wakefulness. And it's in this state that your nervous system resets. Your stress completely melts away, and your subconscious mind is literally wide open. And why is this important? Because your subconscious mind is where your beliefs live. The stories you repeat to yourself without even knowing it. And if you want to change your results in life, you don't just need motivation at the conscious level. You need to rewire those deeper patterns. That's what Yoga Nidra makes possible. And when you rest your body, your mind becomes fertile ground for change. And first thing I want us to do is I want us to set an intention. So in Yoga Nidra, they use something called Sankalpa. And Sankalpa is not just a goal. Also, if I butchered the way to say that, I'm sorry. It's a heart-centered intention, a statement of who you are becoming. It's a way of planting a seed in the soil of your subconscious. And here's how to choose yours. First thing you need to do is make sure you keep it really short. Second thing you need to do is I want you to say it in the present tense. And the third thing I want you to do is obviously make sure that it's positive. So instead of saying something like, I don't want to feel stuck anymore, I want you to try, I am free and powerful. Instead of, I want to succeed someday, try, I embody abundance and resilience. Trust whatever that phrase rises up for you right now. That's your Sankalpa. Hold it gently in your mind, and you'll repeat it throughout the practice. So make sure it takes root. Now, before we begin, let's get you completely set up so that your body feels completely supported for this practice. I want you to lie down on your back, somewhere where you won't be disturbed. And you're going to place a pillow under your head if you need it, or even a bolster. And you can even put a bolster underneath your knees so that your lower back can fully just release. Now, if you tend to get chilly, cover yourself up with a blanket. The goal is to remove every distraction so your body can feel so comfortable it doesn't need to move at all. And if you can, also try and wear headphones while doing this so that you can just really be in it right now. You're going to place your arms gently at your sides with your palms facing upward. And this is a gesture of receiving. Let your feet fall open naturally and close your eyes and allow your jaw to unclench, your shoulders to soften. This is your time. There's nothing else to do, nowhere else to be. Just give yourself permission to fully arrive here. Now take one slow breath in through the nose And exhale through the mouth. Again, deeply in and side out. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. And we'll begin the practice from here. Take one more deep breath in. Side out. Let your whole body soften. We'll begin a body scan. And as I call it each part of the body, bring your attention there. Sense it and feel it fully. And as you notice it, silently repeat your Sankalpa to yourself. And imagine those words flowing into that part of your body, like a message being imprinted into your cells. Bring awareness to your right hand, your right thumb. Repeat your Sankalpa. Second finger. Repeat your Sankalpa. Third finger. Repeat your Sankalpa. Fourth finger. Repeat. Little finger. Repeat. Now your palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. With each part, repeat your Sankalpa. Feel it sinking in. Move to your right collarbone, chest on the right side, waist, hip, down your thigh, knee, calf, ankle. Now your right foot, your big toe, your second toe, your third toe, your fourth toe, your little toe. Your whole right side is alive with your Sankalpa. Now bring the awareness to your left hand, your thumb, second finger, third, fourth, little finger. Each time silently saying your Sankalpa. Palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, your left collarbone, chest, waist, hip, down your thigh, knee, calf, ankle, left foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Your whole left side vibrates with your Sankalpa. Now shift the awareness to the back of your body. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the entire spine, from the base of your skull down the neck, upper back, middle back, lower back, all the way to your tailbone. Your whole back is imprinted with your Sankalpa. Now notice the crown of your head, forehead, temples, eyes, eyelids, eyelashes, the space between your eyebrows, your third eye. Repeat your Sankalpa here, as if it's planting it deeply inside of your mind. Bring your attention to your cheeks, your nose, your lips, your jaw, your chin, and now your throat. Collarbones, chest, heart center, and breathe in your Sankalpa into your heart. Move to your solar plexus, your belly, your navel, your hips, your pelvis. Your whole front body is now filled with your Sankalpa. Now sense your entire body at once, front and back, right side and left side, from head to toe, your whole body being imprinted with this Sankalpa. And imagine your Sankalpa as a light filling every cell. Let that light glow brighter with each breath. Let it radiate through you. Your whole body is heavy, safe, supported. Your whole body is alive, powerful, rewiring itself to your Sankalpa. And rest here. Trust that the work is happening deep inside, below the surface, just like a seed planted in the soil. Your Sankalpa is already taking root. And imagine yourself in the future, fully living your Sankalpa. Picture yourself stepping into a space where the version of you that you've always dreamed of already exists. And notice how you walk into the room. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your head is high, your brain and your breath is steady. There's no forcing. There's no pretending. You just are this version of yourself. Confident, calm, powerful. And look around. Notice the people in the room. See how they respond to you. Notice the respect in their eyes, the warmth in their smiles, the way your presence inspires trust and energy. This is what happens when you embody your truth. Now tune into your body. Feel the strength in your muscles, the lightness in your heart, the clarity in your mind. This is your biology aligned with your intention. This is what safety, abundance, and resilience feels like. Repeat your Sankalpa silently. Let it echo through your entire being. I'm strong, I'm resilient, I'm abundant. As you hold that image, notice how natural it feels. Not as something you've been trying to become, but it's who you already are. Every breath you take makes this identity more familiar, more real. And now imagine yourself moving forward in the life, carrying this energy, waking up in the morning with purpose, making decisions with clarity, taking bold steps, not from fear, but from a deep knowing that you are supported. Repeat your Sankalpa once more and let it sink in. Trust that your subconscious is listening, because it is. And every time you practice this, those words, that feeling, this vision, it all becomes your new reality. Take a slow, deep breath. Begin to bring awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, what you experienced today wasn't just relaxation. It was training. Training your body to feel safe. Training your mind to believe in your potential. Training your nervous system to align with abundance and resilience. The more you practice, the stronger your Sankalpa becomes. So use this anytime you feel stuck, anytime you feel overwhelmed or disconnected. This is your reset button. This is your shortcut to success. And thanks so much for trusting me and doing this practice with me today. And I will see you next time.